What's happening, everyone, and welcome to this video. My name's Hayden Davidson and you are watching FBA TV. So in this video I'm going to talk about my £1 million goal. Now I've got a £1 million goal. Those of you who follow me closely will know that about 4 months ago I said that next year I wanted to set the goal to hit £1 million, not dollars, but pounds in revenue. Okay. Now I haven't forgotten about this target. This is a big target of mine. Now, although I've got to be careful not to stick to just turnover, just trying to get turnover for a vanity project, you know. However, I also want to make sure that I'm making good profit at the same time. Now, I want to talk more in detail about how I'm planning to actually accomplish this goal, which may or may not happen. But I believe that it's possible. Okay, I've always struggled a little bit with self-belief, but it's getting better. Okay, now I do actually believe that it is possible and it is going to happen. Okay, so let me talk you through my £1 million goal for 2023. It will be 2023. My voice went high then. So let's dive into it. So I'm planning to actually hit it pretty hard. Okay, now those of you who follow me closely also know that in the UK right now, in the UK right now, I've got my own brand which I'm building up right now. That's a slow burner. Okay, it's a slow burner. Okay, but it is building nicely. Now I'm just doing a big rebrand on that at the moment. Okay, and then I'm going to be pushing it higher and higher and higher, launching. You know, taking on more staff members, more virtual assistants, and I'm going to be launching hopefully at least 2 products a month. Okay, which is really significant. Okay, that's going to have a big increase. Okay, after that, okay, so that should be enough in revenue to possibly hit the goal, including Q4 2023, but it might not be. It might only get us to say, and this is just a guesstimate, don't hold me to this, but if we can double the SKUs or triple the SKUs next year, if we're really hitting it, I think we could get to say, this is just on Amazon, by the way, I think we could get to about, someone's just messaged me, I reckon we could get about 700,000 to 800,000 in revenue just on Amazon. Okay, that's next year for my UK business. Now that might not happen, but I think that's what I can do. So I'm going to be pushing that really hard, launching once we've rebranded, launching that really hard. Now on top of that, those of you who watched my last video or recent videos talking about when I started online arbitrage again. Now I started online arbitrage in a different market in the USA. Okay, and I'm going to be hitting that very hard. Okay, very hard. So that should also do, I mean, 300,000-400,000 in revenue. Just next year, maybe more, but I'm not going to get my hopes up too much because it's the first year of doing something after this Q4. So look, I think that we're going to hit it doing that. So that's my plan. I'm going to hit it with the online arbitrage. I'm going to hit it with my own brand in the UK, and really hit it quite hard. I've got 25 grand in credit card for Capital One Tap. I've got 25 grand for Amex. Okay, I've got cash in the bank account. Okay, and also we're just come up to Q4 2022 right now. So once we recycle all of that cash, leave a lot of it in the business, which I always do, I think we should have enough. I really believe that we should have enough to work to reach this goal for next year in 2023. So that's my plan. Okay, that's my plan. Now, I have full intentions to stick to that plan, but sometimes things come up, you know. I mean, who knows? Maybe I'll launch a private label product in the USA because, look, I do want to launch private label. Now, whether that's my brand in the UK or whether it's in the USA, I would like next year to launch 1 or 2 private label products, okay, if we have the time. Obviously, I can't do that if, you know, OA and, you know, my current brand in the UK takes that time away. If it's going well, you know, don't break something that's not broken. However, I do want to launch a private label product, at least 1 next year. And obviously I'll update everyone on this on that journey, you know, on this channel, and in the obviously FBA TV Facebook group, which you should definitely jump in if you're not, because we talk about, you know, videos and talk about Amazon discussions and stuff like that. So anyway, I thought I'd update you there. That is my plan, and we're going to be, yeah, I think that's going to happen. Let me know your plans for 2023. Are you at 6 figures? Or are you going to be at 7 figures? What do you think? Do you think you're going to be at 7 figures, or do you think you're going to be high 6 figures, medium 6 figures, low 6 figures? Let me know where you are, what your plans are, or jump in the Facebook group and tell me in there. I will see you very soon. Thanks for watching FBA TV. My name's Hayden Davidson. Peace out. Never do.